Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you top tricks for your earbuds QCY Buds ANC. When you listen to music or watching a movie, you don't need to use your phone. You can use gestures on your earbuds. And with this gesture you can play or pause the song, you can play next or previous track, you can call voice assistant, you can swap between ambient sound controls, and you can modify these gestures in the application. You need to open QCY application and of course add your earbuds to the application. If you don't know how to do this, you can check a video at this channel, we have it. Next, you go to the settings, and right here, as you can see, I already customized the gestures. I think it's better than by default, so you can make it in the application. Next one, you can improve your listening experience by changing equalizer presets, and you can make it also in the application. You just go to the sound at the middle top, and right here we have 6 presets. Also, I create a custom preset, so you can also create for you a preset, and you can change it. Here is Bass Boost. A lot of people like this mod, so these earbuds have it. Also, these earbuds have ANC, and you can enable it by a gesture or in the application. Up to you. And in the application you can manage it. So right here we have presets for the ANC. You can use adaptive by default, or change something else and make this mod good for you. When you met someone, you don't need to you don't need to remove your earbuds. You can just enable transparency mode and speak with this person. Also, in the application you can set sound balance if you need it, but you can also make it on your phone, and we have video also about it. Next one. These earbuds have sleeping mode. It just blocked to use your touch control, so when you go into sleep and you wanna listen to music, you can enable this mode. And also here is game mode, so if you play games, I recommend it to use this mode, and you can also enable it in the application or by press and hold at your left earbud, and with it you will enable or disable this mode. As you can see, I just enable it, but I don't recommend to use this mode all the time because you may have connection instability. And right here under game mode we have dual connection, so you can connect two devices to your earbuds simultaneously, and at this channel we have also a video about it, how to do this. If you lose your earbuds in the application, you can find it. If you know location, you can also check location for it on this map, or you can play a sound for your earbuds. If you have some trouble with your earbuds, you can easily perform a factory reset by press 1 times at the both of touch areas on your earbuds. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!